Disqualified Laguna Governor E.R. Ejercito has heeded the advice of his uncle and left the provincial capital. But the Ejercito camp considers the move only temporary since there is still a pending petition before the Supreme Court questioning the governor's disqualification. More from Noel Perfecto.
E.R. Ejercito has formally stepped down today from his post as Laguna Governor. Exactly 9:30 in the morning when former President and now Manila Mayor Erap Estrada fetched his controversial nephew E.R. Ejercito, who has been holed up inside the capital for 4 days, awaiting the decision of the Supreme Court on the status quo anti-order filed by his lawyers regarding the expulsion due to overspending last election. Mayor Erap firmly defended the Ejercito family, saying that he will not allow their family name to be ruined. Following this, he convinced former Governor E.R. to finally step down peacefully. The former governor did not hesitate and heed the call of his uncle. Although he had a hard time leaving his constituents behind, he assured that this is just temporary. He also said that he will respect the decision of the Supreme Court.
Huwag po kayong magalala, mga Lagunenyo. Kahit wala na po ako sa pwesto, ako si Governor George Ejercito Estrada ay magiging gobernador ninyo ngayon at magpakailanman. At tayo po ninyo ay pumabalik ng Agila.
Meanwhile, incoming Laguna Governor Ramil Hernandez today announced that he would formally take over the position of governor on Monday. Hernandez reassured all the employees, scholars, and personnel of the capital that they will remain in their post until they have finished the assessment of the local officials of the province. He added that all services given by the provincial government will continue, particularly the scholarship program and the Orange Card services.
Sinigurado ko po na walang magagambala o walang maaantala na trabaho at programa ang ating pong probinsya. Yung pong ating mga empleyado, wala po kayong dapat ipag-alala dahil meron na po akong utos na ipagpatuloy po nila yung pong mga files at yung pong mga job orders hanggang sa June 30 dahil yung po talagang katapusan ng kanilang termino bilang casual at bilang JO.
Hernandez meanwhile stressed that if ever the Supreme Court decision will favor the former governor, he will conform with it and leave the position.
Kapag po naman nag-desisyon ng Supreme Court na kailangan kong ipagpatuloy ang aking panunungkulan na naayon po sa batas, ipagpapatuloy ko po at doon ko po hihingi ng suporta ng ating mga kalalawigan para po sa katahimikan at kaunlaran po ng ating lalawigan.
For the People's Television, I'm Noel Perfecto.